Hello everyone. SSLC Karnataka Board 2025 question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x²+8x+12 is equal to 0. Finding the roots of the quadratic equation solving x²+8x+12 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is x²+8x+12 is equal to 0. We will solve it by using the factorization method. Step 1. Find two numbers. We need to find two numbers whose sum is 8 and product is 12. Possible numbers are 6 times 2. Since 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 times 12 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Step 2. Factorization. Rewrite the equation using 6 into x²+6s plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Group the terms x²+6s first term and 2x plus 12 is equal to second term. Factor out common terms. In the first term is x² is a common factor. X into x plus 6. In second term 2 is a common factor. 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. We get x plus 6 plus and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Step 3. Find the roots. Now solve for x. X plus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to minus 2. Thus the roots are x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to minus 2. Conclusion. The given equation x²+8x plus 2 is equal to 0. We solve it by factorization method. The roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to minus 2. Thank you for watching.